Stock verification and its methods in libraries. Introduction. Stock verification is a vital administrative function in library management that ensures the accuracy, accountability, and proper maintenance of library collections. It involves checking the physical existence of library materials and comparing them with official records such as accession registers, catalogues, and database entries. This process helps libraries maintain an updated and reliable collection while identifying losses, errors, and irregularities. Concept and meaning of stock verification. Stock verification refers to the systematic physical checking of library materials to confirm their presence and condition, and reconciling them with library records. It is usually carried out periodically, annually, biennially, or during vacations in academic institutions. The main aim of stock verification is to ensure that the materials listed in the catalogue are actually available on the shelves and accessible to users. Objectives of stock verification. Stock verification serves several important objectives. It ensures accountability of library resources, as books and other materials represent valuable assets. It helps in identifying missing, misplaced, or damaged items. Another important objective is to update library records, ensuring that catalogues reflect the actual holdings. It also supports weeding and collection development decisions, as outdated or unused materials can be identified during verification. Methods of stock verification. Stock verification can be carried out using different methods depending on the size of the library, availability of technology, and resources. 1. Physical verification method, manual method. This is the traditional and most commonly used method. In this method, each book on the shelf is physically checked and matched with the accession register or catalogue. The librarian verifies details such as accession number, title, and author to ensure correctness. Example: a staff member checks each book in the library shelves and marks it as available in the register. Merits. This method is simple and does not require advanced technology. Demerits. It is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and prone to human error, especially in large libraries. 2. Accession register method. In this method, the accession register serves as the primary record. Each entry in the register is checked against the physical presence of books on the shelves. Missing items are noted, and discrepancies are recorded. Example: if accession number 1025 is listed in the register but the book is not found on the shelf, it is marked as missing. 3. Shelf list method. In this method, a shelf list, a record arranged in the same order as books on shelves, is used for verification. The physical arrangement of books is checked against this list. Example: books arranged by classification number are verified against a shelf list arranged in the same order. Merits. It is more systematic and easier than checking directly from accession registers. Demerits. Requires proper maintenance of shelf lists. 4. Sampling method. In large libraries, complete verification may not be feasible. In such cases, a sample of the collection is checked instead of the entire stock. Example: a library may verify only 10% of its collection randomly. Merits. Saves time and effort. Demerits. Not fully reliable, as some missing items may go undetected. 5. Stock verification by circulation records. This method uses issue and return records to verify whether books are in circulation or available in the library. Example: a book not found on the shelf may be checked in the circulation register to see if it has been issued. 6. Automated method, barcode system. Modern libraries use barcode technology for stock verification. Each book has a barcode that can be scanned to check its presence. Example: a librarian scans books using a barcode scanner and matches them with the database. Merits. Fast, accurate, and efficient. Demerits. Requires initial investment in technology. 7. RFID-based verification. This is the most advanced method, using radio frequency identification, RFID, technology. Books are tagged with RFID chips, and verification can be done quickly without direct contact. Example: a handheld RFID scanner can scan multiple books on a shelf within seconds. Merits. Highly efficient, accurate, and time-saving. Demerits. Expensive and requires technical infrastructure. Importance of stock verification. Stock verification is essential for maintaining the credibility and efficiency of a library. It ensures that users can rely on the catalogue and find the materials they need. It also supports financial accountability, helps prevent theft or loss, and improves overall collection management. Problems and challenges. Stock verification can be time-consuming and requires significant manpower. In large libraries, complete verification may take weeks or months. There may also be difficulties in tracing missing books or resolving discrepancies in records. Conclusion. In conclusion, stock verification is a crucial process in library management that ensures the accuracy and reliability of library collections. Various methods, from manual checking to advanced RFID systems, are used depending on the resources available. While each method has its advantages and limitations, the overall goal remains the same: to maintain an organized, accountable, and user-friendly library system.